Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the MACD OSMA indicator for MT4. This oscillator indicator, which stands for moving average convergence divergence, one signal and two exponential moving averages, displays a green signal line based on simple moving average and a red EMA line with a histogram showing the difference. In this video you'll see how the indicator works, how signals are interpreted and which trading strategies are utilized. The MACD OSMA displays the green signal line and red EMA line with a relationship providing insight into momentum direction along with the histogram visually representing the difference above or below the zero line. As you can see in a separate window below the main chart, these are the histogram, this is the green signal line and the red EMA line. A buy signal is generated when MACD histogram is above zero, as you can see here, and the green signal line closes above the red signal line or EMA line, indicating a bullish trend. Meanwhile, a sell signal occurs when MACD is below zero, indicating bearish trend, and the red signal line closes above the green signal line, as you can see here on the chart, and it is shown again on the price chart with a bearish momentum. Its settings include its time frame. You can use the current time frame. You can also adjust its fast MA period, fast MA mode, and you can also toggle on the alerts. Now, when you first install or upload the indicator, your colors might be slightly different. Just know your number 5 is your green signal line, or it could be a different color, and your 6 is your red EMA line. You can adjust the color to suit whatever style you want. The indicator is suitable for swing traders, long-term trend followers, and traders seeking trend analysis tools. Its strengths include identifying trends and reversals, clear signal conditions, balanced SMA EMA perspective, and versatility when combining with other indicators. However, it does not guarantee success, requiring risk management. It also takes time and experience to master, with its effectiveness varying with market condition. It's essential not to use against primary trend, as counter trend trading leads to loss. You can download the MACD OSMA indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how combining simple moving average with exponential moving average plus histogram visualization provides comprehensive momentum and trend analysis. If you like oscillator tools that merge multiple moving averages types, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.